Hey everybody, I'm Hunter the Fisherman, and here is your mountaintop pro tip. Okay, today on the agenda is how to tie a basic knot. So I learned this knot when I was about 3, when I started fishing at 3 years old. And I never learned any other knots because this one's easy yet reliable. One of the most reliable fishing knots. I honestly don't know what it's called, but here we go. So you start out in a V, you grab the end, and you twist. You twist about 3 or 4 times around. Then you put it through and pull, and it should easily pull. Make sure that's tight, especially with this braid. This braid likes to slip. Monofilament, not so much. And then, just to make sure, you wrap it 3 more times, put it through again, and this is where it gets like wrapped around the bottom. You just pull it up, and tighten it down. Make sure it's good. Pull on one end, it's good. Then you grab a knife, or I like to use toenail clippers, and clip off this part because fish won't like that. Get a little bit just so if it slips a little, it still has something to go and it doesn't break one of the knots. And you're all set. Thank you for watching and have a great day.